Hello. Today I am going to discuss about ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit, PLA, question based on PLA, PAL and performance comparison. So what do you mean by arithmetic logic unit? So arithmetic logic unit, this is the part of CPU. So by name, by name it is defined as ALU. It is an integrated circuits within a CPU or GPU that performs arithmetic and logic operation. So here arithmetic operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And what about logic operation means AND gate operation, OR gate operation, NAND gate operation, NOR gate operation and so on. So now PLA, this is the part of ALU. So basically arithmetic logic unit can be PLA, can be PAL and PROM. So PAL, it is a programmable logic array. So basically if we talk about block diagram of PLA, so then it consists input buffer, input buffer, then AND matrix, OR matrix, inverter, non-inverter, and it is connected to flip-flop. So why input buffer is needed here? Because inputs can be stored in buffer. So that's why buffer is needed here, and it is followed by AND matrix. This is followed by OR matrix. This is followed by inverter, non-inverter, depends on requirement, and this is followed by flip-flop. Why flip-flop? Because flip-flop, it is a storing element. So here output can be stored here. So that's why flip-flop is needed. So basically based on programmable and fixed AND matrix and OR matrix, there are basically three arrangement. One is PLA, other is PAL and PROM. So this time I am talking about PLA. So in PLA AND matrix followed by OR matrix. But here important point is in PLA AND matrix and OR matrix both are programmable, right? So if AND matrix and OR matrix both are programmable, then it is called PLA, programmable logic array. So from block diagram it is clear output of AND matrix will be product term, and output of OR matrix will be summation of product term. So it can be said by the help of PLA there is a implementation of logic functions in the SOP form. Okay, now next is, this is the simplified representation of AND matrix. So for example, This is input A, this is input B, and this is input C. So here it will act like buffer and inverter both. So if A will be needed, then it will be passed through inverter. Sorry, if same signal will be needed, then it will be passed through buffer, and if inverted signal will be needed, then it will be passed through inverter. So here it will be A bar, B bar, C bar. And what about cross? This is a connection. So if connection is present, then it is represented by cross sign. So here what would be the output of this AND gate? So output of this AND gate will be A into B. So here P naught will be equal to A into B. Similarly here what would be the output, because it is connected here A, then B bar, A, B bar and C. And what about in this AND gate? So it is connected A bar, then it is connected B bar, then here C. So this is the simplified representation of AND matrix. Now next is simplified representation of the OR matrix. So these inputs, now these inputs will be passed through OR gate through uh, through proper connection. So here P naught will be passed through this gate. Similarly P1 will be passed through this gate, and Pn minus 1 will be passed through this gate. So again here S naught will be equal to, so if P naught equal to AB, P1 equal to A B bar C, and Pn minus 1 equal to A bar B bar C. So what would be S naught? S naught will be AB plus A B bar C plus A bar B bar C. Similarly we can find out S1. So what would be S1? Because there is only one connection, so it will be A B bar C, and here it is connected at all points, so this will be AB plus AB bar C plus A bar B bar C. Now next is question. So a combinational circuit is defined by the following function: f1 a comma b comma c equal to summation of mean term 4 5 7, f2 a comma b comma c equal to summation of mean term 3 5 7. Implement this circuit with a PLA having 3 inputs, 3 product term and 2 outputs. So according to this question, it can be said कि because here there are 3 inputs, so 3 buffer or inverter will be needed, then 3 product term. 3 product term means 3 AND gate will be needed, and 2 outputs. It means 2 OR gate will be needed. Okay, so f1 a comma b comma c equal to summation of mean term 4 5 7. So by minimizing this function, it will be ab bar plus ac. Similarly f2 a comma b comma c equal to summation of mean term 3 5 7. So it can be represented like this: a bar bc plus ab bar c plus abc, and after minimizing it will be bc plus ac. Now it is to be implemented by the help of PLA. So because there are 3 inputs, so there are 3 inputs, and it will act like buffer and inverter both. So we can get here A, and through inverter A bar, B, then through inverter B bar, C, and through inverter C bar. Now uh, so now Here there are three AND gates. So what is the output of this AND gate? Output of this AND gate will be AB bar, because it is connected here A and B bar. Output of this AND gate will be A into C, and output of this AND gate will be B into C. So now we have taken all possible product term AB bar, AC and BC. Now according to question, we should have two output. So for two output, now it will be connected through proper connection, and it will be passed through OR gate. So if we want F1 A comma B comma C equal to AB bar plus AC, so here it should be connected at AB bar and AC. So now what would be output? It means it has two input, AB bar and AC. So here output will be AB bar plus AC, and similarly here what would be the output of this, because it is connected here. So this is AC and this is BC. So in this way question can be solved. Now next is performance comparison. So already I have told you in PLA AND matrix and OR matrix both are programmable. Next is PAL. In PAL only the AND array is programmable, OR array is fixed, and in PROM AND array is fixed and OR array is programmable. Next difference is PLA it is expensive than PAL and PROM. PAL it is moderately expensive and PROM it is cheap and easy to use. Another difference, by the help of PAL and PROM, by the help of PLA and PAL, any SOP form can be implemented, and by the help of PROM, only SOP function in a standard form can be implemented. Thank you for watching my video.